What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 ways that you guys can save more money, and these are things that I actually do every single day. But before we get into that, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so down below. I have a ton of content on the way with videos just like this. But without out of the way, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Now, the first tip that I have for you guys to save more money is actually a subscription that I have. It's actually called MoviePass. I'm sure some of you guys have already heard about it. I've seen a ton of ads for it on Snapchat, Instagram, and stuff like that. But I pretty much paid, I believe it was $115. But that includes the registration fee that they have at the very beginning. So it's actually going to be less every single month after this. I think it's about $100 a year, or about $7 to $10 every single month. Their prices have been changing. I think they've actually been lowering it since I actually signed up for the subscription. But with that subscription, you guys can go and watch a movie every single day if you wanted to. I go literally almost every single weekend, so it really helped me out. Tickets right now are pretty much like $12 for any movie you guys want to go see. That's not including 3D or IMAX or anything like that. So if you're paying $7 every single month, $7 to $10, whatever it is, either way, you guys are saving money. If you guys went to the movies just once every single month, then you guys would save some money off of that. Now, I go every single weekend, so that pretty much was like over, let's see, if I went every single weekend, $12, 4 times 12 was $48. So I'm literally saving like $38 every single month just by having the subscription. Now, this subscription and this app really helped me out because I am on a budget most of the time, and I know how hard it is to be on a budget. For anybody that's on a budget out there, you guys know how hard it is to stay on a budget and how to be able to go out while you're on a budget. So with this literally gives you a way to go out every single day if you wanted to. If there's a new movie for every single day of the week that you wanted to go, you can go do that, and there's no extra charge. Now, you can only see the movie once, but I definitely don't believe that you guys can beat the deal of being able to go to the movies every single day for $7 to $10 every single month. So tip number 2, and the second subscription that I have that helps me save money every single month, is an app that most of you guys have already heard about. It's called Amazon. Now, last time I paid for this, I paid about $106, so that's less than $10 every single month. So that's pretty cheap considering what you get for it. Now, I use it for a ton of stuff. I use it for clothes. I use it for vitamins that I use. We've actually ordered some food on there. We get some essentials like toothpaste, stuff like that. Now, whenever I go to a store, usually I check Amazon to see the prices and compare which one's cheaper. Usually Amazon is cheaper, and you get it primed. So even if you guys don't need the item at that exact time, that same day that you're going to the Walmart or whatever you guys are going to, order it. You'll get it in 2 days, and it'll be cheaper. So if you do that every single time throughout the year, I promise you guys will save a ton of money. You'll make that money back that you guys spend on the subscription, and you'll get a bunch of other stuff. So apart from the prime shipping and the really low cost of items like food and vitamins and all that type of stuff, you guys get music and you guys get video. So you guys got the Amazon video and you guys got the music. I don't use the music just because I have I subscribe to the YouTube Red stuff, so I can just listen to music on there. But if you guys don't have a music subscription, you guys can go ahead and get the Amazon. You'll get the music subscription and you'll get a video. So that way you save money on not getting a Netflix or a Hulu, and you get money on saving from not getting like a Spotify or something like that. So it's saving you money on a music subscription and a video subscription, and you guys can cancel your cable as well. If you guys want like more premium video and stuff like that, you guys can also purchase it through the Amazon video. But there's a bunch of free stuff that you guys can watch on there, and a bunch of series that they have on there as well. Even though the $106 is actually not that much money, you guys can split the fee with somebody else. So you guys can have 2 people on one account. So if you got like a friend and you guys live together and you guys wanted to just split it, it'd literally be $53 for the entire year. So you guys will definitely get your money back with that. So if you have a roommate, maybe you're with your family, maybe you guys want to split it, something like that, to make the cost go down even more, that would definitely help you out. But either way, even if you're paying the full amount, just like I do, you're going to get your money back. Now, tip number 3, guys, is something that I do every single week. I take a day to do this every single week, and it is meal prepping. Now, I myself choose to do this in the afternoon on Sundays. I prep about 6 to 7 meals for the entire week. And I pretty much do chicken or fish, whichever one I feel like doing, but most of the time I do the chicken. Whatever you guys can eat on a consistent basis, cook that. If you guys want to cook a variety of things, you guys can also do that. But this pretty much helps you save money by not going out and spending on Chipotle, spending it on McDonald's fast food, whatever it may be for your lunch whenever you go to work. You guys can just go ahead and eat your meal prep food, and it will help you save a ton of money. So let's say you cook these 7 meals. You don't need all 7 meals for work because most of the time people work 5 days. But if you used all 7 throughout those 7 days, and you guys didn't go out to Chipotle, fast food, like I said, any other food place that you guys would usually go to, let's say that you spent around $10 every single day, that's $70 a week. And that, a lot of the time, food now costs more than $10 for each meal that you get. But we're just saying $10 for every single meal, that's $70 a week. That's $280 a month that you guys would be saving just by taking some time. It usually takes like 2 hours. But for me, definitely those 2 hours and the cost of the food is definitely worth those $280 or $70 a week. So even without the money you guys are saving every single month, about $280 for those 7 meals, it is a way healthier way of eating every single day. So I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. Now, tip number 4 is not something that is going to give you guys a ton of money back, but is definitely something that helps just because it is something that you do anyways, and that is pretty much joining a rewards program for any fast food place or restaurant that you guys go to. Now, 2 of the ones that I use is Domino's and Starbucks. I use those 2 the most. With Domino's, depending on the amount of orders that you have, you get free pizza. With Starbucks, you get free coffee after a certain amount as well. So you get points for each time that you order from that. So let's say either way you guys are going to go to those places every single day. If you guys are going to be doing that anyways, you might as well join the rewards program and get the free food. So maybe it'll save you $10 that week or whatever it may be. Maybe you guys go a lot more than what I would think people go. But maybe you guys can get 2 pizzas for free or maybe a couple coffees for free. Either way, that is saving you guys money every single week. Now, tip number 5 is something that I have done ever since I was a kid, and that is pretty much buying used clothes and used shoes. Now, you guys don't have to buy shoes and clothes that are all torn up and smell bad or anything like that. There's a ton of places that sell stuff where the clothes are used, or maybe they were just worn once and the person wants to get rid of it. But just because they wore it that one time, you're able to get it for a lot cheaper than what they did. Now, 2 places that I use to get used clothes off of is eBay and an app called Grailed. Grailed is more for like streetwear, but you guys can also get like a bunch of expensive items on there. And eBay has pretty much everything, but you guys can use any reliable place that you guys want. I'm just giving you guys those 2 as examples. So with that tip, you guys can save money on clothes, obviously. But if you guys have never done it before, if you guys literally are just like disgusted by the used clothes, I would recommend you guys just give it a try at least once, because literally people wear the things once and it's pretty much brand new and they just want to get rid of it. So I would definitely recommend you guys give it a try. Just like check to see, make sure that the clothing that you buy, if you guys don't want it too badly used, make sure that you check to see that it's still in really good condition. Maybe you can ask the seller how many times it's been worn. Sometimes they may know. It just depends on the seller and the place that you buy it from. But if you guys have not given it a try, I definitely recommend it, especially the shoes, because on that Grailed app that I told you guys about, sometimes I get shoes for like $50 that were like $100 or $120 brand new when they only wore it a couple times. So definitely something that will save you a ton of money, and it will help you look better too. But you guys, those are 5 tips that I have for you guys, and 5 things that I actually do in my everyday life that save me money every single day and every single week. These 5 tips are something that you guys can start doing right now. It's not something that, you got to build up. You can literally download the apps. You guys can get subscriptions the same day that I'm talking to you guys about this. So it's something that you can implement right now. Now, I hope you guys use some of these in the future. If you guys have any questions, maybe you guys need some more recommendations, just leave it down in the comments. I will be happy to help you with any questions that you guys have. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure to do so for more videos like this. Leave a like if you enjoyed it or you found it helpful in any way. And I will see you guys in the next video.